This lecture I will demonstrate how the disturbances work. In this simulation model you have two operations here. Both of them currently use the disturbance. The basic setting is to use an availability and a time. Availability means the time in percentage that the machine is available for producing parts. This means that 10% of the time this operation will be failed. And the time it will be failed is controlled by this time, mean time to repair. This is set to 1200 seconds. And this is the default way of using disturbances. However, you may also set the type here. Instead of using percent, you can use distributions, and you can set the duration and interval time yourself. Duration is the same thing as mean time to repair. Interval, however, is the mean time between failure. So we can start an animation now with these settings. We have operation 1 with the distribution, not the distribution, but percentage 90% available and 1200 times mean time to repair. The same thing with operation 2. We'll go to simulation. We'll start the simulation run, and when it's green it's working, when it's yellow it's blocked, and when it's gray I think it's idle. Anyway, when these LED dots gets red, a machine is failed. So then the disturbance is activated. This could be breaking a tool or any kind of activity that you need to add for adding variability to the simulation model. We'll see if it will happen. There it was a red. I think we will have to increase the time in the simulation model here in order to see it. We'll change it against 50% or even maybe only 30%. So 70% of the time they will be failed. And we'll start the simulation model again and increase the speed a little bit. You can see that the objects will turn out to be failed once in a while. We'll look at the event list here. I think we will stop there. You can see that operation 1 is currently failed. Disruption began at this time and will end at that time. So it will be for about 8 minutes. However, as I explained before, this time is a little bit tricky, so it will actually move faster when there are longer activities and so on. Start the simulation again, and you can see in the event list that more disruptions are added all the time.